everyone, welcome here. Today's video I'm showing you how I did a makeover on a few of our light fixtures and it was less than $75 to get this farmhouse look. Before, our lights were so boring and they didn't draw any attention to the eye, but now they look adorable and really add a lot to the space in my opinion. I'll put what I used in the description box below. Continue to watch to see how I came up with this easy makeover. Okay, so these are the light little sconces that I got off of Amazon. They were very inexpensive and they just look very farmhouse style. I love them. Yeah, I got 8 of these and then I got these Edison bulbs that were recommended to go with them. I just love the look of these bulbs, so I really like that I picked these up. So all of this total was only $70. I already have the black paint, so this is going to be a very inexpensive, easy transformation. So to start with, I went ahead and removed all the bulbs and glass shades from our dining table light fixture. We bought this fixture from Home Depot a few years ago. It was so basic, so these cage shades definitely give it some character. I didn't want my husband to have to take down all the fixtures for me to spray paint them, so I wanted to keep this pretty simple and I just decided to paint them with a brush by hand. I also don't love using spray paint because I always end up getting drips. Spray paint would make it go quicker if you don't mind removing the light fixtures, but I ended up using 3 coats of my black chalk paint on each fixture. Be the force within me, all of me. Be the raving power in the deep. These cages just screwed right onto the fixtures I already had. They come with screws so you can adjust them to fit to size. I went ahead and followed the same method while painting the 2 pendants above our island. Except I kept the cord clear and just painted the bottom and the very top of the lights. Call to me. So while those lights were drying, I moved on to our ceiling fan in our living room. I didn't want to do too much to this one except give it some paint and to clean it up. It had a really ugly yellowy shade and the metal details weren't a pretty color. I went through with the same black chalk paint and painted all the metal black. You can see here how much better the black paint looks. It gives it a more fresh and modern look. I set out on a road that I built with my own. Next, use some white chalk paint for the yellowy shade. I used 3 coats of paint on it, and I just love how crisp and clean it made it look. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. Turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. I absolutely love how these lights turned out. The second you walk into our house, your eyes are drawn to the dining table fixture. It helps to break up all the white and it ties in the rest of the black in our kitchen and in the rest of our house. Instead of buying new lights, I was able to transform and modernize our fixtures for so cheap. I hope you guys got some inspiration and ideas from this video. This was a super easy DIY and I love the simple charm it brings to our home. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me.